Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to, show you guys how I started my lash company. Just in case you guys want to start your own, I want to spill all the tea. I want to tell you little tricks, little tips, and I want to tell you step by step how to start your business, because we all out here during Corona, during the quarantine, like not making any money. I know a lot of people that are unemployed, and I just want to help some of you start your own business. So if you guys want to know how to do that, then please keep on watching. Before we start, I have a list of things that I wrote down, like some notes, just to make sure like I stay on track. But I'm going to show you guys my lashes first. So I keep them in these containers. I got them at Dollar Tree, and basically I just store each style of lash in one container. I have 2 styles right now. I'm looking to expand very soon, so I'm going to show you guys the 2 styles. So this one is called Angelic, and they're very natural. These are very natural lashes, and this is Celestial. I love both of them, but I think I like Angelic a little bit more. Celestial I have on my eyes today, and yeah, they're not like lashes that are like boom in your face. They're just like a natural girl type of lash. And these go for $12. I don't really like seeing lashes that are $30. I know Lily Lashes are like, I think they're the #1 lash company in the world, but $30 for a pair of lash, like, no thank you. And these are full mink lashes. I don't have any mink lashes, neither will I ever be coming out with mink lashes, because I want to keep my brand vegan and cruelty free. I don't see the need in using actual animal hair in my brand, Now that you guys have seen my inventory, I'm gonna hop right into letting you guys know how to start your own lash business. #1 in starting your own lash company is knowing what you want to sell. So right off the bat, I knew that I wanted to sell faux mink lashes because, again, they're vegan and cruelty free. I started my company wanting to start with eyelashes first, and then branch off to lip glosses, and then branch off to other things that will be coming soon. But yeah, for right now it's lip oils, faux mink lashes, and lip glosses. So I knew that I wanted to sell those 3 things. So you just have to know what you want to sell, and then you can go from there. So the second thing I have down is research about what you need. So whether that be labels, lash packaging, silk bags. So when I was doing my research, yeah, I came across people putting their lashes in like organza bags, like little mesh drawstring bags, but I like the satin one a little bit more. I have both baby pink and this lilac color to push my lashes in. This can fit 2 lashes and some lip glosses. I just do this for presentation. I think presentation is key, and I actually put a sticker with my brand logo on it so people know that it's coming from Beauty by Prita. Another thing you're gonna need are poly mailers. These are what I use to ship my lashes out in. I don't know the dimensions of these, but I got these off of Amazon. So if you guys are looking for poly mailers, Amazon has the rainbow of colors in poly mailers. These will probably fit about 2 of these drawstring bags. I also have these gift bags for pickup orders, but now that we're in quarantine and we can't really go out, I don't really use these because nobody's gonna come to my house and pick up their lashes, And I also have these adhesive envelopes. When I was starting out, nobody told me that I needed these, but turns out that I do. This is where I put the shipping label in, so I put them in here, and then I just take off the back of the sticky paper on there and I put it on my poly mailer like so. And that way it's like weatherproof. With this, I know that my shipping label won't get damaged while it's in transit, and it gets to my customer safely. So those are some things that you need to keep in mind. It's not just lashes and a lash packaging that you need other things as well. And there are some things that I'm missing, but just do your research. I'll be telling you about more tea later on. The third thing is plan and budget. So yeah, plan for these things, plan to spend money on these things, plan to have a printer, plan to spend money on labels, plan to spend money on Amazon, on your lashes, on shipping. Like, plan and budget. Know what you want to spend when you start off. I started off with this packaging because this is the most affordable packaging out there, and this is also very pretty. Like, I like that it's very sparkly. That's like very me, that's very girly. Like, you need to make sure you know what you want for your brand to make it stand out, and and this screams pizza. You should have a notebook to write all these things down. I'll show you guys mine. I have this notebook right here. It has lip gloss, but anyways, it says Prita's business diary on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, Prita's business diary, and in it I keep all of like my receipts and stuff. I also keep my bookkeeping in here. I also put like things that I want to come out with, places that I would get them, and I put prices of stuff so I know how much I will be spending on inventory. And so you guys should get a notebook when starting a business. This will definitely come in handy. The fourth thing is find the vendor. So there's a couple places where you can go to find the vendor. There is AliExpress, Alibaba, and I personally didn't trust those websites because they do look a little sketchy. But if I was ordering something now, like, I do trust them, but they're still like a little scammy. They still look scammy. The place that I went to find my vendor was actually, I found them on Instagram. They had an Instagram page, and basically all I did was typed in full mink vendor, or no, I actually did eyelash vendor first, and I scrolled through them, and I chose a few. And you also need WhatsApp so you can like speak to your vendors. So I like sent a message on WhatsApp to all the vendors that I chose, and I basically started talking to every single one of them, and I narrowed it down from there. Another thing is, if you guys don't want that hassle in finding a vendor or like testing samples, then I sell my vendor for $5. You guys can just go on my website and basically purchase the vendor under Start Your Business, just $5, and actually save time and get a good vendor, a good and reliable vendor. So if you guys want to do that, I'll like directly link it in my description. So after you found the couple of vendors that have what you want, whether that be mink lashes, silk lashes, full mink lashes, like anything, you want to order samples. And luckily for me, I chose one vendor and I ordered samples from that vendor, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna just test these out for right now, and if I don't like these samples, I will go with another vendor. But luckily for me, that was the only person I tested, and I loved their lashes, so I ended up not getting samples from another vendor, and I started off with 5 samples. I feel like 5 samples is like a good number to start off with. I tested all 5 of them, and the only 2 that I loved was Celestial and Angelic. After I got the shipments, I ordered some more samples, so more lashes coming soon. I chose the ones that I really like, and I will be coming out with them pretty soon. After about a month or so, or a couple of weeks, you want to go on ahead and speak to your vendor about like orders. So I know I spoke to my vendor about ordering like 3 or 4 times before I actually ordered. I wanted to speak to them about packaging, what's like the best packaging to start off with. And I personally feel like some people I know, they have like clear glass cases, that's what they start off with, or I start off with these paper boxes, they open at the side, and I'm not mad at these. Honestly, these are really good. I love that they're sparkly, that they're so pretty. I didn't like them at first, but they definitely grew on me. And also MOQs or minimum order quantities, and some vendors say that you need to buy a minimum of 100 lashes from them. My vendor, there was no minimum. I started off with 40 lashes, and I think the less you spend, the better, because you don't know what direction your lash business is going in or how long it will take for it to, pop off. I ordered a very small amount because I wanted my second launch to be bigger and better. So yeah, that's why I did that. And again, I got these paper boxes because this was the most affordable box that they had. And actually, this is like super pretty. I know I've been talking about it for a couple of minutes now, but I honestly do love this box. I will be coming out with another box after this because I just feel like this has had its time and it's time for a new box. So the next time I launch, I'm going to be launching with another box. Every single launch you have, you want to be bigger and better. You want to be better than the launch that you had before, just so people know that your brand is growing and they're going to want to support you. They want to, they'll gravitate towards your brand. They'll be like, oh, you're doing well, let me shop with them and stuff like that. So just keep those things in mind. I put for step 9, I know I haven't been saying this step, but for step 9, you want to find the most cost-effective way in starting your business. So again, with these paper boxes, and also my vendor vendor was trying to sell me labels, like my logo labels, and also I'm gonna show you guys, like my logo labels right here, as well as like the names of my lashes. I think they were more expensive than what I found in the US, and I'll show you guys what I use. So for my logo labels, I found a cheaper alternative on a place called stickeru.com, and I just designed these myself. And yeah, I think I got 140 of them, and they were way cheaper than if I were to pay my vendor to actually put the stickers on the boxes. I mean, putting stickers on boxes are no problem for me. Like, I'll do them myself if it means that I'll save some more coins, because that's coins that you can be putting towards something else. And also the names of my lashes came from Avery.com. I don't think these are the names for my lashes. No, these are not. One second. These are the names for my lashes. I designed these as well. This is Celestial's, and this is Angelic's sticker name. And the dimension of these are 1/2 of an inch by 1 3/4 of an inch. If you guys need help finding dimensions for your lashes, I will definitely stick with those. I even had to like cut off a little bit of the top just to make it fit, because like I'm a perfectionist, so just to make it fit. So keep that in mind if you guys want these paper boxes as well. But so I've been doing that. A little while afterwards, I got this label maker, and basically this is how I will be making the labels for my lashes later on. So all you gotta do is put it on. It's the Dymo Letra tag, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, and basically just type out what you want and hit print, and it'll print from the side. But make sure that the paper that you guys get is clear, because I mean, clear just looks cleaner. This one is the white one. I still need to buy the clear one. Yeah, it just looks cleaner. And you guys, there's no ink involved with this printer. It's only heat that makes the wording come out. This was very inexpensive as well. I think I paid about $18 for this. So yeah, very inexpensive. I think I paid more for my labels here in the US than I paid for this. So I know another place that does labels. I think it's called Online Labels, and you can either, you know, design your labels on the website, or you can like order the label sheets at home and print them out on your own. Step 10 is to order lashes when you're done sampling them. So yeah, order your lashes. Mine got here, it didn't take a week. It took less than a week. It took like about 3-4 days to get here, which was really quick, but that was pre-Rona though. For step 11, I have started an Instagram page for your business. Me personally, I don't like using my personal Instagram for my business, because personal Instagram, I have like pictures with like my friends and stuff like that. I wanted that to stay strictly me, so I made another Instagram for my business. So you guys want to keep in mind with that, so you start getting supporters on your Instagram page, and just keep them separate. I feel like that's the best way to organize your social media. You can also start other social media pages. Like I started a Facebook page, I have TikTok now, I did Pinterest for my business. So yeah, just branch out to other social media platforms just to grow your business, because you can reach more people with more social media platforms. I forgot to include a very important piece of information. When creating your business, you also want to create business cards. So this is my business card, and on the back it says thank you for your purchase, and it has my business email, it has follow me, and a discount code. I put that just so there's like a one-time discount code where it's like if somebody shops with you again, they can get like a little bit of money taken off of their entire purchase. So keep that in mind. That's another marketing tactic that I use. Okay, so step 12, I have promote and post 2 to 3 times a day. So with your social media platforms, yeah, you do want to post a couple times a day, because that just lets people like know like you're serious about business, as well as use hashtags so your business can get more exposure. More people can actually, you know, like look on your page, and if they like what they see, they can follow, they can even check out your website. So yeah, just promote, post, and use hashtags. The last thing that I have is be patient. Be patient, because you won't sell out of your inventory in the first week, the first month. It might take a couple months, it might take a whole year for your business to pop off. I say this because from January to March, my business wasn't doing as well, but now from April to like May right now, my my business is like actually doing pretty well. It's doing better than it was a couple of months ago, and that's because I was consistent, I was patient, I honestly like manifested. Manifesting is another thing that you guys should do when creating your business, because you know, you don't want to have like a negative attitude the entire time. You want to think positive. You want to say to yourself, oh, I'm gonna be big, I will do this, I will be big in the future. Like, I also created a vision board for myself and like little mini goals, and I reward myself every single time I achieve a goal. Being patient is one of the things that you guys need to learn how to do, because I come across so many people where they're like, oh my god, I haven't had a sale in over a month, and like they start, you know, giving up and losing hope. But like, honestly, just cling on to your hope. I know I've been there, but I'm in such a better attitude now because I stay consistent. I have been doing whatever I can for my business. So if you guys take anything away from today's video, is honestly start your business and be patient. It will grow. It definitely, most definitely will grow. I believe in every single one of you. That's it for today's video. I hope I taught you guys something. I honestly, there's so many videos about starting your lash business out on YouTube, but I honestly hope that you guys took something out of this video. I just wanted to show you guys what I did to start my business. With that being said, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!